If you're looking into estate planning, you might already be thinking about how to protect the wealth you've worked so hard for, especially if you're nearing retirement. But have you thought about how a gold IRA can play a key role in that strategy? In this video, we're going to dive into gold IRAs and estate planning, and I'm going to share some insights that could change the way you look at wealth protection, especially for American retirees like yourself. Before we get started, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next couple of weeks, click the first link in the description below to get a free guide on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their hard-earned assets. You'll get expert insights on how this strategy can help protect your wealth as you plan for the future. Now, when we talk about estate planning, it's often about protecting your legacy and ensuring that your assets are passed on to your heirs in a way that minimizes taxes and avoids complications. But many overlook a key part of this: how to protect the value of those assets over time. Traditional investments like stocks and bonds are subject to market fluctuations, and if you've watched the market recently, you know how unpredictable things can be. That's where a gold IRA comes in. Gold IRAs offer a level of stability that other investments can't. Gold has historically performed well during times of economic uncertainty, and it can act as a hedge against inflation. With a gold IRA, you're not only protecting your wealth from market swings, but you're also positioning yourself to leave something truly valuable to your loved ones. Let's talk about what you need to consider when integrating gold IRAs into your estate plan. First, you'll want to ensure that the gold IRA is held in a qualified retirement account, such as an IRA or 401k, which allows it to grow tax-deferred or even tax-free. This makes it an ideal tool for long-term wealth preservation. When structuring your estate, you'll want to designate beneficiaries for your gold IRA to ensure that your heirs have access to the funds when needed, without additional tax burdens or delays. Another critical consideration is the required minimum distributions, RMDs, that come with retirement accounts. Gold IRAs are subject to the same RMD rules as other retirement accounts, meaning you'll have to take a certain amount out each year after age 73. This doesn't mean you have to liquidate your gold. You can take your RMD in cash, which can help preserve the rest of your portfolio while still staying compliant with IRS rules. A lot of retirees may be tempted to rely on other estate planning tools, such as life insurance or annuities. But while these options can have their benefits, they also come with their own risks, especially when it comes to inflation and market volatility. Gold, on the other hand, has maintained its value for centuries, and that stability can make it an ideal asset for a well-rounded estate plan. So, why gold IRAs specifically? It's simple. They offer you the opportunity to protect your wealth with an asset that has historically outperformed others during periods of economic instability. That's why more and more Americans with significant savings are using gold IRAs to preserve their wealth and pass it on to future generations. If you've got $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M Plus in savings, gold IRAs can be a perfect fit for your estate planning strategy. They're easy to set up, highly effective in diversifying your portfolio, and can be an invaluable resource for keeping your wealth secure in the long term. If you want to learn more about how you can get started with a gold IRA and start securing your wealth today, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide that thousands of Americans are using to protect their financial future. Don't wait. If you're serious about protecting your assets, now is the time to act. In conclusion, integrating a gold IRA into your estate planning could be one of the smartest decisions you make to ensure that your wealth remains protected for you and your family. Gold's stability and long-term growth potential make it the ideal asset for safeguarding your legacy, especially for American retirees who want to make sure their financial future is secure. For those of you with 100K plus in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M pluses in savings, a gold IRA is not only a smart investment, but it's also a crucial part of your estate planning strategy. Click the link below to get your free guide and take the first step toward protecting your wealth today.